So she didn't get on the flight?
No, we couldn't accept her because she was intoxicated.
I can come and talk to y'all for a little bit, but y'all don't got nothing to do with me though. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do a goddamn thing, so get the out of my face.
When an intoxicated traveler is denied boarding and confronted by police at a major airport, which laws actually apply? And where does officer authority end and constitutional protection begin? The answers may not be where you expect them.
Where is she? Did you see her?
Yeah, she just walked up on my way. She walked this way.
Okay, got it. That's like making the problem here.
What flight was she supposed to get on a flight?
To Alaska, going to Seattle to Hawaii.
From
C4.
So she didn't get on the flight?
No, we couldn't accept her because she was intoxicated.
Gotcha.
You
know her name?
Her hand is so loose, bro. It came from my face. Nisha.
Do your big one. Do your big one. Do your big one. And they out here, you know, do your big one. I like that. But, ooh, that's
Anisha.
like...
Hey, how you doing? All right, Anisha, we're gonna have to get going. You're gonna have to rebook your flight.
Drink some water real quick. You gotta get dehydrated real quick. You gotta get hydrated. I can come and talk to y'all for a little bit, but y'all don't got nothing to do with me though.
So what's going on?
You are down here, clean, make it where it's not hot. Yeah,
Just sit
let's
down.
over here. Yeah, let's just talk for a little bit. Yeah, let's just talk. Do we talk?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm okay.
So what's going on?
I'm trying to catch my flight to Honolulu, but this wanna act like he don't wanna have me get on the flight. That's what's happening right now.
You from Cleveland?
No, I'm not from here.
Where you from?
Bro, I'm from Michigan.
Okay.
I'm not from here. So basically what's happening right now, I got a flight. My flight leave at 6:44. But the dude that's running the flight is not letting me get on the plane. The same one that called y'all. The same one that called y'all is the same one.
Okay. So, do you know, did they tell you why they wouldn't let you on the flight?
Bruh, all I'm trying to do is get back to Honolulu. I get money. I'm not a dumb. Like, every drink, anytime you see me, like, bro, I'm paying for all my drinks.
That's
everything.
Cool. That's cool that you pay for your drinks, but they're not going to let you on intoxicated.
And that's fine. And I'm okay with y'all checking my bags.
No, we're not going to check your bag. You're just
No,
going to have to.
I just want to get to Hawaii.
You're not going to be able to get on this flight. You probably have to catch the next one.
No, I'm not going for that.
You're going to have to go for it.
Because you don't understand how much these flights cost.
You're going to have to rebook. They're not going to let you.
Rebook what?
They're not going to
that
let.
Shit costs like $300.
They're not going to. You're not going to have to pay. They're just going to give you another flight. They're not going to let you fly intoxicated. They're not going to let you fly like that.
No one said they're charging you more money. You just
Just got to catch the next flight. You're going to have to sober up before they let you on the next one. They're not going to let you fly like that. That's what it is. That's why they wouldn't let you on.
For real?
Yeah.
When is the next flight?
I don't know. We got to go up to the ticket counter to see.
You probably want to do that sooner than later. Let's just go up to the ticket counter and get you taken care of.
Alright. Let's do it now and not later.
Alright, no, let's go. Right down here. Come on.
No, what is that?
This goes to the ticket counter. We got to go to the ticket. It's the exit to the ticket level. Let's go.
You have two choices. Let's go.
You have
Choose
to
the ticket level.
you need to rebook your flight.
You need to shut the up.
All right, listen. You're not helping.
No, like I'm not comfortable with y'all. I'm not.
Then walk. All you got to do is rebook.
I'm not. No.
Come on.
No. Cause look, another police officer just pulled. I'm not. No.
She's not a police officer.
Well, if I'm going down, I'm going down behind what I say. I'm not going down.
No, we're going to the
No, I really don't like y'all. I really don't.
Okay, that's fine.
Rolling this way.
You dead ass right now.
Come on, we gotta go to the ticket counter to rebook.
Book for what? What did I do? I didn't do shit. Y'all not booking for me a goddamn thing because I didn't do nothing.
Let's go.
No, they're not getting my fingerprints. They're not getting my name. Bro, that. Yeah, man.
You can't go back. That's it.
Man, get the out of my face.
You're going that way.
Y'all booking me for no reason. I didn't do nothing.
You're not.
I didn't do a goddamn thing, so get the out of my
Ain't
face.
nobody taking you to jail.
No, that. No, that. No, this is not okay. What is happening is not okay.
You're gonna be going to jail. Now you can get another ticket or you can go to jail.
No, that.
Okay.
Leave me alone.
You got two choices. You go that way and get another ticket,
You
or we
need to
will book
leave
you.
because you are literally trying to do something that you're not even in the jurisdiction to do.
Do you want to rebook and get on another flight?
No,
or do you want to?
I didn't do
You got two
nothing. I
choices.
didn't do nothing.
You got two.
I didn't do a goddamn thing. So you need to move out of my way before I really call my daddy.
You're this close
No,
to going
I'm
to
about
jail.
to call my
You're gonna
dad.
walk that way. You're gonna go to jail for DCI, disorderly conduct
You
intox.
can either get another ticket or you can go to jail. That's your only choice. Now,
That's
what
all
do
you
wanna
got.
do? You get your other ticket up here or you going to jail?
We're being more than lenient.
You go around the corner and go to the ticket counter and get you another ticket.
You need to stop being a Donald
Walk
Trump ass. No, you need to walk that way.
You're gonna go to jail. Walk.
You. Dumbass.
Come on, let's go.
No, you need to tell him to back down. I'm
Just keep
comfortable
going.
with you walking behind me. I'm not comfortable with him walking behind me.
I'm behind you.
I
Let's go.
don't with
To the
you.
ticket counter, or you're gonna.
You
go
need to
jail.
shut
Walk.
the fuck up.
You understand? You're this close to going to jail for.
I'm on the
Walk
phone
that
with
way.
all of my people. Hello?
Your people aren't gonna help you right now. You're walking on a thin line here.
Come on.
Let's go.
You need to leave me the fuck alone.
I'm right here.
No, you need to
You're
leave me
gonna go to
alone.
jail.
No, you need to leave me alone.
You're intoxicated.
Like, no, that.
being
You're
disorderly.
doing something that you not need. Don't go that way. You're really being
your
that
back, watch
police
your back.
officer right now.
Go.
No, a police officer is really f***ing with me right now. A whole police officer is f***ing with me right now. He's literally following me. Oh, no, that. No.
Let's go.
I'm not going nowhere unless your ass get the f*** up out of here. I'm not with you.
Do you want to get another flight out? I'm asking you a question. Do you want to fly? Right?
Can you tell him to go?
Forget about him. Do you want to fly out of
Can
here?
you tell him to go?
Answer the question. Do you want to fly?
Tell him to go.
All right. We gave you more than enough chances here.
Well, then I'm going to go outside then. I don't even want y'all help. I don't want help. I want to go outside at this point. I don't want y'all help. I want to go. I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave.
All right.
No, because I don't trust you. Because you will. No, I don't trust. No.
Relax. Take it easy. Yeah. Come on.
We have your part.
We're going. It's coming with you. Take it.
Hold onto the handrail and attend to children for your safety.
Take her outside.
Yeah.
Where's your ID, man? Where's your IDs in your pants?
You need to shut the f*** up.
I'm putting her phone back in her purse.
Because why am I in handcuffs? Because I didn't do nothing.
You're under arrest for disorderly
For
conduct,
what?
intoxication,
For what?
disorderly conduct.
Nigga, you.
Door number
all-
6.
it's all-
What I did.
We got
Disorderly
this
conduct is
female.
crazy.
She wants to go to jail.
Man, if you don't see these cuffs off of me.
Okay.
Relax.
Bro, I want to go home. I just want to go
We're
home.
past that point
Bro,
now.
I want to go home. Leave me alone. I want to go home. Y'all got me f***ed up. Cuffing me up, doing all this weird ass for what? I didn't do nothing to you. You weirdo. I didn't do nothing to you. Please uncuff me so I can go home. I'm not doing nothing.
All right, just calm down.
If you want to make sure I'm okay, is you going to look out for me tonight?
Yeah, I'm not gonna look out for you. Unfortunately, you're gonna end up going to jail tonight.
Thank you. Step over here, please, honey.
Listen to this officer.
Follow me over here.
Just listen. No, your stuff's not going anywhere.
Come on, honey.
Come on.
Why is you touching on me
Because
like
you're
that?
not moving.
No, because you're not a police
That's fine.
officer,
So listen here.
and you really got me up.
Let's search you.
No, you really got me up.
Search you.
That's the only reason why you with me is because I got these cuffs on my ass. Like you really trying it right now.
Thank you. Please don't move. Go back.
Girl, you keep on
Stop. You still gonna move regardless.
No, that I would really tussle your ass in cuffs though. No, you dirty ass, squid ass.
Sit down.
Huh.
Under 49 United States Code Section 44,902, airlines hold explicit federal statutory authority to refuse transport to any passenger whose condition poses a safety risk. This is not airline policy. This is federal law. The denial of boarding was legally compulsory, not discretionary. Ohio Revised Code Section 2000-917-11 defines disorderly conduct as recklessly causing alarm in a public place through fighting, threatening, or turbulent behavior. Subsection B elevates this to a fourth-degree misdemeanor when committed while voluntarily intoxicated. Voluntariness is an element the prosecution must prove. Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 11,968, authorizes investigative detention on reasonable articulable suspicion alone, once a completed offense is established. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 318, 2001, confirms that a full custodial arrest for a misdemeanor is constitutionally permissible without a warrant. Profanity directed at law enforcement is protected speech under the First Amendment. Cohen v. California, 403 U.S. 15, 1971, established this, and it has never been overturned. Officers who arrest solely on verbal hostility expose their agencies to civil liability under 42 United States Code Section 1000. 983, Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1000. 989 requires courts to evaluate force by three factors: severity of the offense, existence of an immediate threat, and active resistance. This standard is applied from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not in hindsight. Ohio Revised Code Section 2000. 903.22 defines menacing as knowingly causing another to believe physical harm will occur. The first statement made on camera was legally ambiguous. The second, made after arrest while in handcuffs, was direct and specific, the same statute, but vastly different legal weight. Miranda v. Arizona 1000. 966. Warnings are not required at the moment of arrest. Berkmer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 420. 1000. 984 established that Miranda attaches to custodial interrogation, not to the act of arrest itself. Processing without questioning triggers no Miranda obligation. Three legal lessons this case demonstrates. Federal statute governs airline boarding, not local discretion. Verbal hostility alone cannot be charged as a criminal offense. and statements made after an arrest is completed can generate independent new criminal exposure under an entirely separate charge. But the deeper question remains open. If the second statement had never been made, would the menacing charge survive? And when officers extend a negotiation past the point where the subject wants to leave voluntarily, are they de-escalating? Or are they creating the confrontation they were trying to prevent?